guys, welcome to Candy's Cooking Corner, as my friends have dubbed it. Today is going to be an interesting day. I'm going to be making alligator, well, attempting to make alligator. It's going to be my first time cooking it. I love it, I've had it fried and it's amazing, but I'm going to try it fried and pan fried to see which one I like better, which one I do better, since I haven't had it pan fried before. So yeah, I'm just gonna pair that with some fries. It's a basic day, you know what I'm saying? Just feeling Cajun-y. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. So what I really like about them is the fried one tastes like some Chick-fil-A nuggets, amazing. And then the pan fried one, or grill, however you want to say it, that one tastes like a really good pork chop. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. But yeah, if you want to see how I cook this wonderful meal, then stay tuned. Okay, let's start. Hey guys, so maybe I'm naive, but I got this Country Boy Gator fillet of alligator, and I expected it to look like fillets, and it could just be me and my eyes, but I'm not quite sure if this looks like a fillet, but we're gonna roll with the punches and make it do what it do. And I'm gonna cut it into nugget sizes because it doesn't make much of a difference to me. And maybe as I pull it apart, then I'll see the puzzle pieces that make a fillet, but as of right now, I'm not seeing it. So yeah. So as you can see, this is the fillet. Do y'all see it? If y'all see it, take a screenshot and draw the map on it for me. Got two bowls here. I got one for my egg wash, and then one for my flour. Now, one thing I don't have is milk, so I'm going to be using heavy whipping cream. We're going to see how that turns out. Another disclaimer, I am not someone who measures. You know, us real chefs don't do too much measuring, but I'm going to try for you guys. We're going to see how far I get. I don't even know if I can try to measure out something precisely, but we're going to see. And yeah, all right, let's come on and see what seasonings we got. Alright guys, so for seasoning we got the holy grail. We got our salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, which I'm running low on because I'm a real chef. If you don't get to the bottom of your seasoning, you're not seasoning your food properly, okay? I got Slap Your Mama, the extra hot version, because ain't no heat that I can't take. Got some chicken powder here, you know what I'm saying? I know half the ingredients are in this chicken seasoning, but it just never hurts to have that extra boost. Paprika and cayenne pepper. I'm going to put all the same ones in my flour, but I'm also going to include some paprika so we can get some good color in there, minus the hot sauce. I'm not putting the hot sauce in the flour. Oh, and minus just going to do a little less salt. I did a little too much salt in there trying to measure for you guys, which I don't do. So I'm going to use a little bit less salt in my actual flour. Girl, you thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Okay. That may have been a fillet piece right there. I messed it up. Oh, look. Maybe this was supposed to be. Girl, whatever. It's whatever at this point. Anyways, so like I was telling y'all, I am going to do. Oh, Lord, it just wants to come apart. I am going to do some pan fried, so I'm just going to go ahead and, you know what? Let's not even be nice about it. Nice for what? This is gonna be a weird looking one. Cool. Won't be the prettiest thing on earth. But alright. So I'm going to toss these in flour first, back in egg wash, back in flour. And then we'll be ready to pop it in the cast iron. All right. Guys, so here are the fillets that I've just seasoned, the fillets that I've just seasoned with the same exact seasoning that I used in my egg wash, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop these into the pot. Oh my god, perfect. As you can see, look at that, looks amazing. I've got the fried one, the pan fried one on the left, and then the fried one is on the right. The pan fried one came out really good. It kind of tasted like a pork chop, versus the one on the right was really giving me like Chick-fil-A nuggets. So crispy, so soft and flaky. Oh my god. Like, just look at that goodness. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Do not mind the sauce that is on there. That was a honey mustard barbecue sauce that I put on my fries, and when I was, doing my design, I got a little carried away. So yeah, but it is so good. But there you have it, guys. Another Candy's Cooking Corner concoction. Wow, amazing. I did that. You go, Candy. Claps for you. Pass on the back. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I really hope you tried this recipe, or let me know what to try next in the comments. That would be nice. But other than that, see ya!